Hi everybody. Today's our topic is division of fractions. It is from 7th class, second chapter. In this, first division of whole number by fraction. Let us take 3 divided by 1 by 2. It means how many halves are there in 3? Suppose I have 3 apples. These are 3 apples. So I divide each into halves. This is 1 by 2 and it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So in this, how many halves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 halves. In 3, how many halves are there? How many 1 by 2s are there? How many are there? 6. Like this. Okay. So that is 3 divided by 1 by 2 equal to 6. Suppose 3 divided by 1 by 3. It means how many 1 by 3s are there in 3? Suppose I divide the apple, 3 apples into 3 parts. So I am dividing apples like this. So here it is 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So these are the 1 by 3s. So these 3 apples, each apple divided into 1 by 3. So how many 1 by 3s are there in 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 3 divided by 1 by 3 equal to, we got 9. By observing these two, we can conclude that, so this 3 into 2 equal to 6. Here 3 into 3 equal to 9. From this, how can you write this? By writing 1 by 2 as into 2 by 1. 3 divided by 1 by 2 by writing as 3 into 2 by 1. And 3 divided by 1 by 3 by writing into 3 by 1. We got this. సో అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? 3 డివైడెడ్ బై 1 బై 2ను 3 ఇంటూ 2 1 బై 1 చేస్తే మనకి ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. 3 డివైడెడ్ బై 1 బై 3, 3 ఇంటూ 3 బై 1 చేసినాం. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? 1 బై 2. ఓకే, సో instead of 1 by 2, we written here 2 by 1. What is the relation between 1 by 2 and 2 by 1? So 1 by 2 changed into 2 by 1. And 1 by 3 changed into 3 by 1. These are the reciprocals of this. Interchanging numerator and denominators. తలక్రిందులు చేసాం. ఓకే, డినామినేటర్ న్యూమరేటర్ అయిపోతుంది, న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ అయిపోతుంది. These are the reciprocals. Okay, 2 by 1 is the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Or we can say 1 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2 by 1. 1 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 1. Or 3 by 1 is the reciprocal of 1 by 3. While dividing, we written this division as into reciprocal of divisor. ఏదైతే దేంతో అయితే డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నామో దాన్ని రెసిప్రోకల్ చేసి డివిజన్ను ఇంటూ చేసాం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ టు డివైడ్ ఏ హోల్ నెంబర్ బై ఏ ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మెథడ్. ఓకే, లెట్ us see some examples. Suppose 7 divided by 1 by 2. How can you write this? 7, this division will become into, and you have to write reciprocal of 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. That means 7 into 2 by 1, that equal to 14 by 1. So that equal to 14. How many halves are there in 7? 14. Next one is, suppose 3 divided by 1 by 5. So this we can write as 3 into division became into and reciprocal of 1 by 5, that is 5 by 1, that equal to 3 into 5 by 1, that equal to 15 by 1, that equal to 15. Suppose 9 divided by 2 by 5. 9 divided by 2 by 5, that is 9 division will become into and 2 by 5, reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2, that equal to 9 into 5 by 2. 9 5s are 45 by 2. Let us see division of a fraction by another fraction. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So the method is same, that is 3 by 4, the division will become into and reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, that equal to 3 into 2 by 4 into 1, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, 6 by 4. Is it possible to cancel? Yes, both are divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, that equal to 3 by 2. So 2 whole 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. Let us see this problem. Okay, here we have mixed fraction. So to divide a fraction by another fraction, the both fractions should be either in proper or improper. Okay, you have to change this mixed fraction into improper. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. మరి డివిజన్ చేయాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీ ప్రాపర్లో కానీ ఇంప్రాపర్లో కానీ ఉండాలి. సో మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి చేంజ్ ఇంటూ ఇంప్రాపర్. 3 by 5. So 5 by 2, this division will become into and 3 by 5, reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So that equal to 5 into 5 by 2 into 3, that equal to 25 by 6. Now we can change it to mixed fraction. 6 4s are 24, 1 remainder, 4 whole 1 by 6, that equal to 4 whole 1 by 6. This is the division of a fraction by another fraction. We are taking reciprocal of divisors. Let us see. Suppose 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. What is the reciprocal? Its reciprocal is 2 by 1, or 3 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 3, and 5 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 5. By observing this is proper fraction. Its reciprocal is 2 by 1. Improper. Numerator is greater than denominator. 3 by 4 is proper, but its reciprocal 4 by 3 is improper fraction. 5 by 3 is improper fraction. So its reciprocal is 3 by 5 is proper fraction. Or reciprocal of a proper fraction should be a improper, and reciprocal of improper fraction should be proper fraction. Proper fraction ku reciprocal చేస్తే improper వస్తుంది. Improper fraction కి reciprocal చేస్తే proper fraction వస్తుంది. Okay, that you have to remember. Next, suppose 3 by 4 divided by 5. Division of a fraction by whole number. So this is 3 by 4. 5 you can write as by 1. So the same method. A fraction divided by a fraction. So division will become into, and reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. So 3 into 1 by 4 into 5. That equal to 3 1s are 3, 4 5s are 20. A fraction divided by a whole number. So it is same like as before. So next one is, suppose I have a fraction 2 whole 3 by 5. So what is the reciprocal of 2 whole 3 by 5? To find the reciprocal of a mixed fraction, first of all you have to change into improper. That is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Now we can change into reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal? 5 by 13. So reciprocal of 2 whole 3 by 5 is 5 by 13. But should not change this as 2 whole 5 by 3. It is not correct. First you have to change into improper, then only you have to write reciprocal. Okay. Next. Okay, exercise 4. In this first problem, find the reciprocal of each of the following. So find the reciprocal. So reciprocal is reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. Then reciprocal of 13 by 7 is 7 by 13. We know very well. 13 by 7 reciprocal, just interchange the numerator and denominator, it will become 7 by 13. Second one, find 18 divided by 3 by 4. So 18, the division will become into, the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So that is 18 into 4 by 3. That equal to 18 4s are 72 by 3. You can cancel this. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remainder, 3 4s are 12. That equal to 24. Now next one. 3, here we have mixed fraction. First of all change into improper. That is 3 divided by 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Okay. Then 3 into 3 by 7. Division became into, and reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. So that is 3 into 3 by 7. That equal to 9 by 7. It is improper. We can change into mixed. 7 1s are 7. 2 remainder. 1 whole 2 by 7. 1 whole 2 by 7 is the answer. Okay, next question is find first one 2 by 5 divided by 3. 2 by 5 divided by 3. So 2 by 5, 3 means we can write as 3 by 1. So division will become into 3 by 1. Reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. So numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. That equal to 2 1s are 2, 5 3s are 15. Next, second one. So what is given? 4 by 9 divided by 4 by 5. So 4 by 9 into 5 by 4. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. That equal to 20 by 36. You can cancel the numerator and denominator, both are by 4. రెండు కూడా 4తో డివిజన్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తున్నాం. 4 9s are 36, 4 5s are 20. That equal to 5 by 9. Okay, next fourth question. Deepak can paint 2 by 5 of a house in one day. If he continues working at this rate, how many days will he take to paint the whole house? Deepak painted part of house in one day. One day equal to 2 by 5. Deepak can paint 2 by 5 of a house in one day. దీపక్ అనేవాడు ఒక రోజులో 2/5 ఆఫ్ హౌస్ను పెయింట్ చేస్తాడు. అంటే 5 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఒక 2 పార్ట్స్ పెయింట్ చేయగలుగుతాడు అని అర్థం. అంటే ఒక హౌస్ని సపోజ్ ఈ విధంగా హౌస్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఈ విధంగా హౌస్ ఉంది. దీన్ని 5 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే 1 2 3 4 5 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే 1 డేలో 2 పార్ట్స్ పెయింట్ చేస్తాడు. ఓకే, అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 5 పార్ట్స్ సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ వీ డివైడ్ ఇంటూ 5 పార్ట్స్, ఒకవేళ మనం 5 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే 2 పార్ట్స్ వేయగలుగుతాడు. బై పెయింటింగ్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ హీ కెన్ టేక్ టు పెయింట్ ద హోల్ హౌస్. మొత్తం పెయింట్ చేయడానికి ఇలానే వర్క్ చేస్తే ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంటాడు అని అడిగాడు. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ టైమ్ to paint whole house equal to 5/2. Just taking reciprocal of 2/5, so that will become 5/2. So 5/2 means 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder, 2 whole 1/2. 2 whole 1/2 days. So Deepak can paint in 2.5 days. 2 whole 1/2 days. So why we taken reciprocal? Suppose he can paint 1/2 of the house in 1 day. How many days he takes to complete? In 2 days. ఒక రోజులో ఆఫ్ చేస్తే మొత్తం చేయడానికి ఎన్ని డేస్ పడుతుంది? 2 days పడుతుంది. జస్ట్ రెసిప్రోకల్. సపోజ్ he paints 1/3 of the house in 1 day. So in how many days he can complete the total house? In 3 days. ఒక రోజులో 1/3 కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే 1/3 కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే అంటే 3 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఒక పార్ట్ ఒక డేలో చేస్తే, సెకండ్ డేలో 1/3, థర్డ్ డేలో 1/3 అంటే he can complete in 3 days. So how can we got this? By taking reciprocal. 1/3 reciprocal is 3/1, that is 3. 1/2 reciprocal is 2/1, so that is 2. Like this, if he paints 2/5 of the house in 1 day, so he can complete in 5/2 days. Okay, like this. So this is exercise 4. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, write in comment box. Thank you.